Welcome to the Battle of the Bots. Today, we'll be comparing two of the most advanced artificial intelligence language models in the market, Google's Bard and OpenAI's Chat. Both these language models are trained using deep learning algorithms and can generate text responses based on a given prompt. Google's Bard is designed to generate creative writing, especially poetry, based on given prompts. Let's see how it performs in the creativity round. On the other hand, OpenAI's Chat is a more versatile language model that can generate human-like text based on a wider range of prompts. It's time to test its creativity. Bard's poem about the sunset is quite beautiful and captures the essence of the scene. However, it lacks the unexpected twists and turns that we often associate with truly creative writing. Chat's response to the meaning of life prompt is deep, philosophical, and thought-provoking. It showcases the model's ability to generate imaginative and unexpected text, making it the clear winner in the creativity round. Now, let's move on to the accuracy round. Both models are proficient in grammar and spelling, but which one can generate more logically consistent responses? Chat's response to the prompt is not only grammatically sound but also logically consistent. It presents a coherent argument and is free of any contradictions. Bard's response, on the other hand, has a few grammatical errors and lacks coherence. This round goes to Chat for its accuracy. Finally, let's see which model is more versatile. Can they both adapt to different prompts and generate a wide range of responses? Bard's response to a different prompt shows that it has its limitations. The model is great at generating poetry, but struggles when it comes to other types of text. Chat, on the other hand, is able to generate a wide range of responses and adapt to different prompts with ease. It can generate text on a variety of topics, from science and technology to philosophy and history. So, after 3 rounds, we have a clear winner. Chat outperforms Bard in creativity, accuracy, and versatility. While Bard is a great model for generating poetry, Chat's flexibility and accuracy make it the overall winner. That's it for today's Battle of the Bots. We hope you enjoyed this comparison of two of the most advanced language models in the market. What do you think about language models like these? Let us know.